In this video, I will guide you how to delete your Western Union accounts. Go to the Western Union website, enter your email address and password, then click Continue. Once logged in, click on the Help option in the top bar. Scroll down to the Customer Care section. Here, you will find different ways to contact Western Union support. You can live chat with representative or send an email explaining your request or call customer support for assistance. Depending on your state or country, you may need to fill out a jurisdiction form. Point to be noted, Western Union does not provide a direct option to delete your account. You must contact customer support to request deletion. That's it. Now you know the process of how to delete your Western Union account. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.